Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Opelia, and today we are going to do a couple things with meiosis. Meiosis is the division of sex cells and creating these down here, which will be the human sex cells here. Starts out with a cell up here, and it goes through this process of meiosis 1, they call it, and then the ending part of meiosis 1 creates two cells over here, and these two cells then split again. And it has to do with the chromosomes, so that each of these, as a result, will have half the chromosomes in the male reproductive cell and half in the female reproductive cell. And that's what this is, okay? That's what this is about. So it's important for you to understand this process, how it happens, and why it happens, okay? So in the reading that I have on Google Classroom, read it thoroughly, understand what is going on in each phase so that you have a grasp of what's going on with these chromosomes. These chromosomes have all the traits that are passed on to the young or to babies. Okay? Now, this is whether or not whatever creature it might be puppies, might be cats, it could be babies, human babies, right? This is what takes place. So it's very important that you understand this, and I have this on Google Classroom, and what you need to do is you need to take a blank piece of paper, draw these out just like it shows, use some color in the chromosomes, use some color, and put these different descriptions next to it. Do a nice job. Don't do it messy. Do a nice job. And that is one of the two assignments that you need to take care of. Okay? Then you also need to do this worksheet here. Okay? This worksheet is after you read the chapter that I have in Google Classroom. You need to fill this out and fill all the way out to the bottom. Make sure you understand what everything is. And this is meiosis. So that is your job to do for Tuesday. So you've got time to do this. Get it done. Understand meiosis. Remember, mitosis is the division of the body cell, and meiosis is for the sex cells. Okay, have a great day.